YSL clutch back, boss niggas love that my weave real long. Do my squats so that ass fat. Love my attitude, so he call me Lil Brat. Brat, he love me long.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherry Brown P, and today we have another wig. It's from Amazon, as per usual. This is, I think, another Brinbea wig. I think that's what the store name says. If not, I'll correct myself and show it on the screen of what the name of the store for the wig is, and I'll show you. It's a braided wig. Yeah. So this is the wig. It kind of came like that other wig that I had got. Open up the pack. It comes with a wig cap, lashes, and those clip thingies. Here's the wig itself. It's burgundy. I like it. Oops. Comes with this in the middle. This is the foam protecting the lace. It has pre-cut baby hairs. They were already swooped the first time I opened it, but this is the second time I'm recording. Like, I don't know if you can tell on this side a little bit, hopefully, but they're already sort of swooped a little bit. So there's that. And I think I will be getting, oh, I'm sorry. Let me show you. It only has this T part of lace here. T part of lace. It has an elastic adjustable band here. It has adjustable straps right here. Then it has the clips here and 2 clips here on each side. 2 clips. So there's that. And this is the wig. It's supposed to be like a knotless wig with curly ends. I don't know. I like it. I really do. I like it. And so, yeah. There are some pieces of the wig that are like stuck together a little bit like this. I don't know if you can see, but I think it's just one string. I don't know if you can tell, but it's just one string. Oops, there we go. It's just one string holding it together, and I'm gonna snip those strings just to give them a little space apart.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else made it through. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick, right around the slack, right around the world. Right around the talk to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. I got you to know.
don't mess around because she loves me so. And